I can't hardly breathe.
What's up, guys? It's your boy White.
I
Today
can't
we're gonna be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. I got this from Verizon for a little monthly deal. I always wanted to get the newest Samsung phone. I've been rocking with Apple for about I would say about 2 years now. About 2 years since 2017. I was rocking iPhones, and this year for 2020, I want to go back to Samsung, going back to my roots, because that's where I started my channel off with Samsung products, and I wanted to get the most recent flagship for this year. So I went out and got the S20 Plus. So my girlfriend, she also got a S20. She got the S20 Cloud Pink, where, like I said, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is the Cosmic Black edition. So she got a regular S20 in pink. I got my S20 Plus in black, Cosmic Black. So let's get into unboxing this. So actually, I'm gonna need to get something to open this with. I mean, hey, it will do, right? It will do. It's not an unboxing knife, but hey, let's get right there. It's been a minute since I did an unboxing like this. It's been quite a while. Oh, guys, I'm not gonna even begin to tell you how the process was with UPS. It was a very difficult process, and they wanted me to just, I don't know, it was a whole process. But I just got back from there, my UPS, and they made the process a little way too difficult than it should have been. So let's look at the back of this box here. There we go. I think I should be able to open it out. There we go. So just drop that down. Boom. So let's see what we got in here. We got the I think this is the booklets on the very top. Stuck all the way up here. Oh, never mind, huh? We got it. Put that up there. So let's see, how should I open this? Top, bottom. Okay. So got the SIM card removal tool right there. Got that right there. It doesn't want to focus on it for some reason. Boom. There we go. No. Well, there you go. You guys can see it from over there. So I tried. So we got the usual pamphlet you get when you're opening every smartphone. This package is screen protector. Remove it. Oh, so Samsung already gives you a screen protector. That's nice. Quick reference guide. Verizon papers. Important consumer safety information. Terms and conditions. Alright. Let me get the phone out the way for 1 second so you can see what else is in the box. Alright. Okay, I guess I was just there. So, we got a super fast charging block. If you guys know why I sighed, it's because I haven't had one of these in a minute. Because the last Samsung phone I had was the Note 8. So, I'm a little bit late on some of the Galaxy devices I've missed, because after the Note 8, that's when I went into iPhones, and I didn't get the chance to see or look into the super fast charging bricks they have. So it's cool that I got one now, so I get to experience it, because I only had regular fast charging back then with the Note 8. So it's pretty cool I get to have that now. Alright, so we got USB Type-C cable for the super fast charging block, wall charger. We got the AK. We got the AKG earbuds. I heard that, Samsung is gonna give up the, what do you call it? Yeah, I heard Samsung was gonna be giving up the aux cable or aux port. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I don't know why. I have a hard time pronouncing some words, but we got the headphones right here. So I'm assuming it's gonna have yeah, it does. See, the earbuds have a little USB-C connector at the end. Is this an issue? I don't think it will be for me, honestly. I feel like it won't be as much as an issue like it won't be for other people, because other people like the aux port, where I do as well, but I have been listening to music more through wireless earbuds lately, so it doesn't really bother me. So we got the phone right here in all its magnificent glossy beauty. Sorry, my camera's not focusing as much. I don't know why it's doing that. That's crazy. Alright, let's peel this up. You hear that peel? Ah, okay. Yo, I guess that's a screen protector. Nope. I don't know if that was a screen protector or not, but no, I think that's it right there. You guys see it? Try to focus in for you guys so you can see it. You probably can't tell, but it's actually right there. It's right there on the screen. But yeah, so we got the S20 Plus right here. I am going to turn it on. Let me just peel the sticker off. Actually, I don't need to peel the sticker off yet. But I'm going to turn the phone on for you guys right now. So I believe this is the power button right here. They moved everything to the right. That's going to take some time to get used to. Oh, that's the volume rockers. Man, okay, I was pressing the wrong button. I was pressing the volume button. Alright. Ooh. Alright, so while it's installing, I'm going to be cleaning everything up, so hold on.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Alright, so set it up.
Let's look at the terms and conditions.
Alright,
Once you read
I
and
know them
agree
all.
to these, we can really get going.
And now I think it's the part where it wants me to activate. So I won't show everything I'm doing for the process. I don't know if it's going to show any personal information of mine. So yeah, I'm an existing customer.
Congrats, you're done setting up your device. Remember, you can change your settings anytime.
Alright, that took a while. I was able to set up everything. So we should be on. Let's go. Let's go. Everything's good. Everything's installing. This phone feels amazing. I think you guys can see. I think you guys can see everything now. Boom, 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 boom. I love this. I like how this feels. This feels definitely like a lot more different from anything else I've ever used. Now, I'm gonna get straight into what I want to see from this phone. And there's a lot of things I want to see from this phone, but the main thing would be from the settings. I want to see that 120 hertz display. I want to see it in action. I think right now, since everything's being activated, I think it's only starting to just activate certain things. So let me go to settings right quick. Let's see. I wonder if I can just type down 120 hertz. I wonder if that'll take me straight to it. No, okay, let me go back. Oops. So there we go. See, it's already set to 60. We'll set it to 120. Yo! Okay, I'm not even lying to you. You probably can't even see it from the camera, but it's like I'm on. Whoa! Okay, you guys probably can't even tell what's going on here, but the animation's actually a lot more smooth. I wonder how fast it's gonna kill my battery. That's what I'm kind of wondering, because I know once you turn that on, the 120 Hz display, it'll kill your battery. But alright guys, that'll be the end of this video. I will be having a review, most likely within like probably a solid couple weeks, probably 2 weeks, because I want to fully test out everything. I want to use this phone to basically the harshest competitive, I don't know how to say it. I'm going to use this phone I'm going to push this phone to its limit when it comes to the hardware and give you guys a full detailed review of everything. This phone's only been out for about like 3 months now, and I was able to get my hands on one. So I'm glad I was able to get one in all black, because I like phones that are all black. I like it. Well, my girlfriend, you know, she got cloud pink. But yes, stay tuned for the next video, and I'm also going to link my girlfriend's unboxing video in the description below. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you drop a like if you like this video. Comment, would you guys buy a S20, yes or no? And all my links in the description for this device will be below, whether you want to find it on Samsung, Verizon, or any other carrier, or Amazon or eBay. I'll leave it all linked down below, so where you can get one for a pretty good deal. Mine's, I bought it standardized from Verizon because I needed a new carrier anyway. So yeah, peace.